So I'd like to put a voltage meter and temperature sensor on the dashboard of the DR. You can pick these up on Amazon for 20 bucks, I think it is, made in China like everything else. Temperature sensor you can see on the back, just a positive and negative connector. I don't want it to be live every time, so I've also wired up a little switch, a little micro switch. So I'll run power through that so I can switch it on and off. And I've also made up a little bracket to hold it. So this was the original bracket, and surprise surprise, it was not quite done right. So then I did another one, get it up here. So this is my second attempt, and the only difference is I've got slightly more bracket size on that side. It was too close to the switch. And then what I've done is for my micro switch, I've got a little waterproof cover to put on the top. And if we go to the DR now, people will recall I wired in a harness to the plug at under the headlight. So there is one plug under the headlight and one plug under the seat. So I did both of them, and I left these wires, so now I've got the wires ready. There isn't a lot of space in the cockpit of the DR, but what I've done is I think I can fit it under here. So drilled a couple of holes through my plastic cover, and my bracket should fit just under here. So I'll get it all wired in, and we'll have a look what it looks like. Right, there it's installed on the side of the cockpit. This is probably the view I get from the cockpit. Switch that on, don't get anything. Switch that on, and you get volts dropping fast. 26.5 degrees today. There you go, voltmeter and temperature gauge on a DR. This cockpit is getting very, very full. Scratched the paint a bit as I put it on, but it should be okay. It's aluminium. And that will do me for today. Thanks for watching.